Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have an unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This one is the Dr. Fauci's bobblehead that my wife got. I think it's about 20 something bucks. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and then see what's the bobblehead look like. So it says Dr. Fauci. And it is made in China. And then here's a description of him. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Here you go. You got the gold glasses or eyewear, and his gray hair, and it is bubbling head. Got the tie, and then blue dress shirt. You got the gray suit, and his leg, and then black shoes. Okay, and it says flatten the curve. Dr. Fauci on the front. So it is $42,000 and then 20 of this are made overall. And then this one is the 39,511. And they are like a foam rubber feet. And you can see the spring that's inside there for the bobblehead. So I check out the YouTube video on how they make this from China. It was pretty interesting, and all these are hand painted. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.